Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. My name is Paul and I'm here again after another gap in time, and I'm here to show you another unboxing video of a Kaweco pen, and I'm very excited of that. I have to say thank you to Kaweco for sending me for these items for review, and let's open it. I still don't have my Victorinox collection with me, but I have this very old Victorinox knife, which is red because one of the things inside is red. So let's open this box. Okay. Open, and now let's see what we have inside. First, I have this paper, which is some kind of invoice. I want to take this away from here because we don't need to see it. And this package was packed by Nicole. I find this very nice, and they have here this. We write, sorry, history since 1883, and I like, oops, again, I like these, I really like this kind of postcard and this little touch. I think it's nice. Then we have this regular packaging way they use nowadays, the black paper, which I like, and the black logo. And we open this and we have inside the big and nice round white sticker. Let's write history together. Kaweco with the German Shepherd dog. And this Kaweco history, kind of Kaweco history cartoon in this postcard. And we have inside two boxes. One says Kaweco collection, the other one says Kaweco collection. One is red, the other one is green. We have one sticker and one leaflet for this one, and nothing for this one because it's all inside. And then we have this fluffy nice stuff, which I really like to take some pictures for social media. So, and I have been quite inactive lately. Let's close this, take this away, and let's bring this back. I just close the knife, and what do I want to show you? I want to show you the new pens. These pens are to be released, as far as I understood, in let me just be sure of the date, 23rd November 2022, and today it's 22nd, so it's tomorrow. I'm not sure, I'll be posting this late. It will be my regular time of posting my videos is at midnight 15 Portuguese time, so it's all over the place, all over the world. It will be online on the 23rd. I hope still in time for you to see the pens and check if you really like them or not. So the first thing that I want to say, it's very hard to reproduce colors on screen, but you already know that. But I try to do this the best as I can, and I want to show you some color comparison. Even if the pens or the color is not completely accurate, you'll be able to check the colors in comparison. You have seen photos of these pens already on social media, I'm sure, but I want to show you some comparisons in a different way. So we have this little pen, which is a Kaweco Sport, made of plastic. Of course it says Kaweco collection because this is of the series of Kaweco collection. Sorry, I'm doing some manual focusing so I can be sure everything is on focus. And here it is. This comes with a medium nib. It's available with other nibs, but they sent it to me with medium nib. Royal blue cartridge inside, and so we have this kind of greenish color. This pen is called Smooth Sage, and this is an interesting one. I would love to have the sage color that was released some time ago as an exclusive for Milligram, the store in Australia. I don't have that, so I cannot show it in comparison. So if anyone has the sage and wants to sell it, please let me know because I'm interested in that pen. Let me just bring the camera down a little bit and show it closer. So it is this kind of bluish light green, and I want to show you some comparisons. And I have here my Galen leather pouch for 14 pens, Kaweco pens, and I want to show you some green pens. This is so nice. So this is the Smooth Sage. Let me check if everything is on focus. So this is the Smooth Sage, yes. And I have here some stuff for comparison. I have, let me put it here, Smooth Sage. I have the Ranger, which is a very old edition of Kaweco, which is a very dark olive green. We have the Bunt Sport green, which is a very bright green. We have the Classic Sport green, which is a little bit more like some bottle green. We have the olive green, and this color is really, really beautiful, which is similar to the Ranger, but the Ranger is a warmer tone. And finally, I have here the Kaweco. This is a Skyline Sport. It is a Classic Sport from, I'm watching through the viewfinder of through the screen, so it's not always that easy. And this is the Industrial Green from an edition from China. I want to do something now, which is bring all these closer, and I need to adjust the focusing again. And I want to show you all the pens. So we have Ranger, very dark green, Bunt green, which is a very bright one, the Classic green, the new Kaweco collection, which is called Smooth Sage, and the Classic Sport, the Kaweco collection, olive green. So the one, and this is the Industrial Green from China. The ones that could be the same color, and I was thinking they could be, were these ones. And I have to say, when I look at them in my hand, the difference doesn't look as dramatic as I see in camera. So I don't think the difference is that big, but they are a little different. This is a bluish green, bluish light green, and this is a bluish grayish light green. So this one has more gray in it than the new Sage. So as far as I know, the Sage from Milligram was the same color as the Industrial Green. I'm not completely sure because I never had it in my hands. I don't have it, but it is a different It is the same kind of it should be the same color. However, the Kaweco collection is not the same color as the industrial green, and therefore I think it's not the same color as the milligram sage. So not sure of, completely sure of that. If someone, oops, focusing, what happened? Sorry about this. So if someone likes a lot the sage, I think that sage edition I didn't get it because it was really hard to get. This one will be very good replacement, this Kaweco collection, smooth sage, but I think it's not exactly the same color. But it's not that hard to identify the difference, but clearly there is a difference, and I think you can see. And this one has gold trim, this one has silver trim, and I think, not sure now, that milligram had silver trim too. So maybe someone is willing to give me, to sell me a sage from milligram, and then I can compare them all. So this was Kaweco collection smooth sage. Interesting, nice color, very different from everything else. And when I'll do the review, because I'll do it and I think it will be easier for you to see, I will compare it with these greens and with some other colors like some light blue, so you can see the difference. It's not that this is the kind of color, when I look at it, I tend to think it is more like a blue than a green. It's really in between. I will show you more soon. Now let's go to the other pen. This one comes inside a red box, and we already had a Kaweco collection in red. It was the special, but this one is a sport. Let me take it out. It is a red Kaweco AL Sport, but in this case it's called Kaweco Collection. It has some interesting details that I'm not used to. Let's go through them. First, this one is called Kaweco Collection Ruby, and this ruby is a red, but it is kind of a very dark pink red. It says Kaweco Collection, and the Kaweco Collection is not printed, it's not filled with paint. It is just Kaweco Collection in the blind engraving. A blind engraving in the smooth Kaweco AL Sport. I've never seen that before, as far as I can remember. So this is the first smooth AL Sport with a blind engraving, gold trim, and inside we have regular Kaweco M nib as usual, and we have this very dark pink red. I brought some red pens with me to show the comparisons. If I knew it would be closer, I would have brought some pink colors, but I think we'll go like this now, and I'll make reviews and show you photos if I can help you later. But I want to compare this red. So first, because this red is very shiny, it is the smooth version, it's quite difficult to show, but I want to compare with some other red Kaweco, metal Kaweco Sport pens. First, I want to compare it with the Kaweco Collection Red Special, or Special Red. Red Special is the name of Brian May's guitar. So this is the one. It is a much brighter red. This is definitely more pinkish, but it is this is dark. It's hard to say because it's not really pink. It's a dark color, but not as dark as we would think. I simply cannot explain. Let's go through some. I have here the Kaweco AC Sport Red. Let me put this one here. AC Sport Red, which is a matte aluminium color, which is harder to compare. I have here the Kaweco AL Sport Deep Red, which is a deeper red and warmer. You can see the difference, and now they look, this one looks red and not pink, but it has some pink in it. We have the special edition for China from a few years ago, which was the Kaweco AL Sport China Red, which is a matte finish and with a blind engraving. And finally we have the Kaweco AL Sport from Spain, the Spanish limited edition from also from a few years ago. And this is this one, and this one was, by the photos I have seen, this was the one I was more interested in comparing it with, because I thought they may be the same color, because this red, let me bring here the deep red, the Spanish red, let's call it Spanish red, and you'll see this is a cool, this is a warm red, this is a cool red, and this is a completely different shade of red. I was afraid it would be the same, or curious, because some people would like to have this color and it is no longer available, and if it comes out somewhere it will be very hard for people to understand in an auction site if this is the one or that one. But I like this color. I think it's nice. I don't find it easy to compare with anything that I have in hand. Let me just try to grab, if I can reach it, over the tripod and stuff. One of my big Kaweco cases. And let me just bring some, which one do you want to see? I'm not sure which one is the best to compare, but it's definitely not pink. Let's bring the Sakura Lucent, which is it is a real pink. And maybe the Kaweco Collection Vibrant Violet, so you can have another comparison. So you can see this is really a purple, this is really a light pink, this is a red, but a pinkish red. So this is it, and very different from this one also. So it is really a nice color. I think I enjoy it. I like it a lot. I'm not sure if this is what people call ruby red or not. That's the official name of the pen. I'm not really good in colors. About Kawecos, I think I'm just good in comparing them, because I always have lots of different ones. So I hope you liked this video. I hope this will be helpful for you to choose your new pen. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you soon for some more videos. So this is all for today. Thank you, Kaweco, so much for this. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and all that stuff, and I'll be back soon. Bye.